Dear students of class 11th, Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is small enterprises or small scale industries. This chapter is in entrepreneurship. Also, this chapter is included in business studies. So this is very important chapter. Dear students, small and large scale enterprises are the two legs of industrialization process of a country. कहीं मुल्क की जो इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन है, कारखाने जो हैं, इनको दो हिस्सों में हम बांट सकते हैं. एक तो है स्मॉल स्केल और दूसरा है लार्ज स्केल. स्मॉल स्केल enterprises are found in every country. Small scale industries can be defined as industries having low investment in plant and machinery, less capital employed, but abundant labor. इन स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज़ को हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं उन इंडस्ट्रीज़ को जहाँ पर इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लांट और मशीनरी में कम हो, कैपिटल कम इन्वेस्ट किया जाता है और लेबर ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज़ कंप्राइजेज ऑफ वैरायटी ऑफ अंडरटेकिंग्स. The definitions of small scale industries vary from country to country and from time to time in the same country. The Fiscal Commission of 1950 for the first time defined the small scale industries as one which is operated manually with hired labor, usually 10 to 50 hands. यानी वो इंडस्ट्री जहाँ पर 10 से 50 आदमी काम करते हों, हायर्ड लेबर. तो फिजिकल कमीशन 1950 ने इसी को स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री करार दिया है. स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज बोर्ड 1954-55 डिफाइंड स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज एज ए यूनिट employing less than 50 employees if using power and less than 100 employees without using power. अगर पावर का इस्तेमाल होता है तो 50 से कम, अगर पावर का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता है तो 100 लेबर, and with a capital investment not exceeding 5 lakh. In March 1997, Government of India has raised the investment ceiling to 3 crore in small scale industries. As per notification number SO 1722E dated October 5, 2006, the investment has been raised to 5 crore in small scale industries. Small scale industries play an important role in the economic development of a country. Micro and small scale enterprises play an important role in the economic development of the country. The development of small scale industries contributed to the increase in per capita income and resulted in improvement in the levels of living. यानी इन्होंने जो स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री, इनकी वजह से स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग बढ़ा है और पर कैपिटा इनकम में इजाफा हुआ है. The small scale industries generated employment opportunities with low capital investment, promoted more equitable distribution of national income. This promoted balanced regional development. The role of small scale industries in the economic development of the country can be understood if we examine the yearly increase in number of units, production, employment, and exports by these industries. The micro and small scale enterprises have registered phenomenal growth in number of units in production, in employment generation, and in exports over the years as shown below. In 1973-74, these units, there were 2 lakh units, and the production from these units was 7,200 crores, and the employment generation was 39.7 lakh, and the exports was 393 crore. And in 1980-81, the fiscal year 80-81, the number of units were 4.48 lakh, and the production from these units was 28,060 crore. The employment generation was 71 lakh, and the exports were 1,643 crore. And after 10 years, in 1990-91, the number of units was 19.40 lakh, and the production was 1,57,550 crore, and the employment was 126.2 lakh, and the exports were 12,658 crore. And in 1998-99 fiscal year, number of units were 31.21 lakh, and the production was 5,38,357 crore, and the employment generation was 175.2 lakh, and the exports were raised to 57,488 crore. This shows the increasing trend in case of number of units, in case of production, in case of employment, and in case of exports. That's all for today. Goodbye, students.